For exercise 13-2, we're going to be drawing essentially a doorstop. It's a wedge, okay? And we're going to keep the views the same, top, front, and right side, okay? So once again, our best friend for this drawing is going to be our 30, 60, 90 triangle, and they gave us our starting point this time as well. We're always going to start off with our glass box. So this is going to be, you know, the size of what your product has to stay within. Okay, it doesn't matter that this is a nice wedge that's sloping down this way. I want to draw the entire boundaries of my glass box just to be sure that I have everything in the drawing space, because it's easier to erase a glass box and move it than it is to erase the entire object once you have it drawn and you find out it doesn't fit. So the first dimension I did was the depth of 2 inches from front to the back of the object. Okay, so I measured that out and I'm going to project that point up vertically. Now from right to left is going to be 5 inches. So I'm going to line that up. Count 5 inches over. Tiny dot. And extend that up. Okay, and then my total height is 1.5 inches. So I'm going to measure up 1 1/2. And extend that left and right. And then at the intersecting points, I'm going to extend it over to help me finish creating my glass box. If I measured carefully and I kept my 30-degree angles nice and even, then I shouldn't have to remeasure anything for this. Okay, and as you can see, our glass box is just a little bit away from that top border line, and that's fine. It just can't touch or go beyond the border. Everything has to stay in our drawing space. So now the next thing coming is, how do we draw this angle? What is that angle? Honestly, I don't know, and I really don't need to care, because it says it starts at the topmost point and it continues in a straight line down to the very bottom. So I'm going to set up my triangle, my straight edge, and I'm going to draw that line. I'm going to do the same thing in the back because it's just a wedge. It's a doorstop. So I'm going to set my pencil back here. I'm going to turn my triangle until it comes to that angle. There we go. And now all I have to do is darken in my construction lines for the rest of that wedge. Oops, I almost forgot this top back part. Don't want to forget that. Oh, here goes my desk moving on me again. Okay, and there we go. I'm going to double check to make sure I don't need to clean up any endpoints, make sure my name's on it, and turn it in.